Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi, how are you guys doing? So I'm back again for another reaction video to the group Now United. Meet the members. So now I'm in South Korea. Hopefully I can pronounce her name right. H-E-Y 2 O's N H-E-Y-O-O-N. Heyoon. 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 I believe it's one of those. Don't get me wrong, sister. So let's hear what she got to say.
Is talking to another person. Just communicating. I always hope for, I want to communicate with you. So every time I go on a stage, I always look in through their eyes to kind of make them feel that I'm talking to them.
Okay. Yes.
So the meaning of my name, Heyoon, He means wise,
Heyoon,
and Yoon means
Heyoon,
beautiful.
Yoon,
I was born in
Heyoon,
Heyoon, South Korea. It's a
Oh,
very
South
quiet
Korea.
city. Around age of 3, I started ballet and I got so
Ballet,
into dancing.
told you.
I already knew back
Flexibility.
then how my life is gonna be. I'm gonna be a performer. I kind of never thought about anything else growing up. My mom used to put on wannabe.
Wow, they really do have
girls
pictures
in the living room. Then all of my
and
sisters
videos from back in the
I would
day.
just dance for like an hour. And I just felt that joy, just caring about nothing. So it was a special memory to me. My mom is the biggest inspiration in my life.
Oh, family. What can you do without them? Support.
She's just an artist. She's like a crazy person. She just makes everything into art. And my dad is very shy, smart guy, the sweetest in the world. He doesn't know how to swear. They are a big
So reserved.
inspiration.
Love it.
I saw this singer named Im Jung-hee when I was 9 or 10.
Yes.
And I decided I'm gonna be like that when I grow up.
Push through, sister. Push through.
Every time when I'm performing, I get that feeling before.
Whip my head back and forth. I whip my head back and forth with it.
Together, I kind of get that feeling because
What happened?
I was bullied a lot throughout my life, and when I'm performing, it's like
they haters
that I can communicate with the people.
They haters.
Tell them my truth.
They haters. They're just mad. They hating.
I feel like
They're not talented. They're basic. They're haters.
I can like communicate with them. So whenever I feel like life is coming at me, just go somewhere really quiet and just dance, get the stress out of my system.
They haters. And they're watching you now though.
That I have that, my thing. And I'm very proud of myself that I found a very good way to get over when life hits you with hard stuff. When I'm dancing, I feel like I'm saying, I don't give a shoe, whatever you guys are thinking about me, and you can never bring me down.
Period.
I'm always
Period.
for something I've never experienced and I've never
Wow, they
seen
love to
before.
flip in this group.
I moved to Seoul like 2 years ago to just learn more and to start a professional career. The part that I love about Seoul is that everyone's crazy about what they're doing. They don't sleep.
My friend used to teach in South Korea and they was eating bugs.
Everyone is very competitive. We work
It's funny that they put
hard.
actual
We do
bugs in there.
practice all the time, which I do too. The passion is amazing here. In life, I'm very messy, goofy, but
come
when it
on,
comes
New
to
York,
dancing,
in
I get
South
very
Korea.
Perfectionist because it's what I love. Sometimes I don't go home for 3 days and I just stay at the studio and practice because I want to get better.
Yes.
I
Heyoon.
was so beautiful just having that moment. I cried so much in the bathroom. I feel like Now United is going to be the future because it's just about everything. Love, peace, coming together, singing, dancing, performing. The amazing part about Now United is that even though we speak different languages,
come together as one.
And we come from different countries, and we just come together as one and sing our hearts out, dance our hearts out.
Yeah, united. That was Heyoon. Heyoon, thank you so much. Hi Heyoon. Hi, nice to meet ya. From South Korea. Love it. Talented group of individuals from around the world, now together in one group. They are diverse. They are one. Thank you so much for the person who recommended me to react to this video, to meet these members. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.